I love reading, writing, and gardening. I love reading and writing. But when my eyes are tired, I go to the garden to rest my eyes and to be recharged and refreshed by beautiful flowers and equally beautiful and colorful leaves. Let me just introduce you to a little patch of the garden and reserve the most next time. This is like the variety of the hyacinth sansevieria.
Aloha twist zumba ra ra ra. Let's do the hula la 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 la. Around the garden and say konnichiwa. Touch your leaves and say.
Oh, this smells sweet. Or maybe even this cat can smell the flowers. Oh.
Pick the fruits and say mahalo iloha. Aloha twist zumba ra ra ra. Let's do the hula la 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 la. Let's twist and jerk to the left, to the right. Let's do the
The leaves become pink. Wow. After the rains and the sun shines, all the leaves, the green leaves became pink. It's so nice. Nice color. It's special. The best kind of pink. Familiar. This one is yellow or apple green. Another variety of bromeliad. Looks like this is
cha 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 cha. Aloha twist zumba ra ra ra. Let's do the hula la 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 la. Let's twist and jerk to the left, to the right. Let's do the aloha.
bigger leaves. Oh, they are climbing my tree.
Drinking of water and say, oh, eat nutritious food and say, mabu.
Oh, I have little purple flowers here. Forgot its name, but it's beautiful. There you are. The little purple flowers. So nice. That thing are red flowers. The pastel flowers of the sansevieria, the motherless tongue. The little flowers, the tiny flowers are now opening. So beginning at 6 o'clock up to 6 o'clock in the morning, we're gonna be in bloom. And soon after a while, we're gonna be smelling sweet